So we're going to look at one more example here. So again, we're going to let U and V be universal sets. We're going to suppose that A and B are subsets of U, and now C and D are subsets of V. And I want you to use examples determine the relationship between the following pairs of sets. So it's going to be A cross C intersected with B cross D. That's the first one. And A intersect B cross C intersect D. So I need to pick universal sets, U and V. Let's just go with the same U and V that we used for our last problem. And here, if you notice, you're going to find the intersection of A and B and the intersection of C and D. So I want to make sure that A and B have terms in common, have elements in common. So let's go with A being 1, 2, B being 1, 3, C being 4, 5, D being 5, 6. And so we're going to start by computing our terms on our left-hand side here. So I'm going to start with A cross C. A cross C would be 1, 4, 1, 5, 2, 4, and 2, 5. B cross D would be 1, 5, 1, 6, 3, 5, and 3, 6. And so now if I look at A cross C intersected with B cross D, what do these two sets have in common? They only have in common the element 1, 5, the ordered pair 1, 5. So now that we have, again, I'll star this just so we don't lose it. This was the first set. Now we want to find the second set. So I'm going to start by computing A intersect B. So what do A and B have in common? Just the element 1. C intersect D. The only thing they have in common is 5. And so then A intersect B cross C intersect D. Well, the only element it's going to contain is the element, the ordered pair 1, 5. And so again, if I compare these two sets, it looks like they're equal. So my conjecture will be that these two sets, A cross C intersect B cross D, is equal to A intersect B cross C intersect D. So in our next two videos, we're going to prove this conjecture is true.